G'day campers, welcome back to Metro RV, and well, welcome back to trying to come up with something a little bit the same but totally different. We've got ourselves a Discovery X. We've done a million of them in the grey orbit right down the back. It's the first big bug van we've done in all white, and guess what? I reckon it looks all white, so we've tried to come up with something a little bit fresh, and I can tell you one thing. We have lots of reasons to be cocky. We think it's come up an absolute treat. R. Now, what's the pirate's favourite letter? Most people think it's R, but it's actually the C. All right, so C for. Now, we'll be serious. Gas bayonet. This is our high spec. We're calling it a high spec plus. It's got a few little bits and pieces over and above. So we've got our huge dual slide toolbox. Now, one thing by those paying attention, it's got a diesel heater fitted, autofocus. Got a gauge on the tank, which is something a bit unique. Stone shield. Now, you might stand back and have a good look. That thing just looks to me just absolutely refreshing. So I'm a little bit biased. We've chosen the colours. If you want something there, just for clarity, this van is available for immediate delivery. If you want a grey one, like our Eclipse there, they come in all sorts of colours. We've done them in white, champagne, silver. I did a green one once, which I want a slightly bigger deposit for green. Now, storage at the back of the rear bunk, so you get access from inside and outside. High spec stand with a bike rack, work lights front and rear, external shower, full independent suspension, got all pedals, shockers and springs. Absolutely, and I mean absolutely gorgeous. Yeah. Dare I say we go a bit of da-ha. We've gone a bit of navy blue, which, look, there's nothing wrong with coming second in the AFL Grand Final this year. They're getting very cocky, the Carltonians. Is that a word? But anyway, so we've gone for trying to come up with something that's completely fresh, full modern, what we think it is. Look, in our opinion, it's come up absolute treat. Natural sort of timber flooring. Now, we've got a diesel heater, plenty of storage under the bed, all our standard sort of stuff that we've got. TV, which I might should point out, should bring it out, shouldn't we? Oh, look at that. Now, they're all those new smart TVs. I dare say we probably should show that one day. Now, some of these are absolute crap. They spring onto each other. These are adjustable. You can leave them anywhere. Concertina. There's 5 locks on each window, so it keeps dust out. Fully adjustable table. You can sort of make a dance and comfortably turn it into another bed if you want to. Now, this has got couple of the options. So we've got it's a high spec plus we've put an extra door here separating the bunk room. We've got a 3.3 kilo washing machine compared to the 2.6, the diesel heater. And one thing I forgot to mention in here, these are no fingerproof cabinets, so they stay nice and clean. And one thing I've discovered with especially with bunk vans is they generally have a few kids in them, and they're not always the most gracious of little taggers. There's one thing, a couple of things we'll point out. All these lights have got USB chargers underneath them, so that's in the bunks around the bed. They've got mood lighting, or whatever you want to call it, so there's a light, a dimmer blue. Voltec. Now we try and keep these things, they're what we consider fail and bomb proof. They're as simple as it gets, but it just gives us absolutely no grief. So it's hot water gas, hot water electric, water pump, aircon, so on a separate circuit, Voltec solar. We've pretty much discussed all this stuff right through. Campers, they start at 70 grand. This van, the way it's displayed, is around 78,000. This one, like I said, this one is available for immediate delivery. We can get you whatever you like within 30 to 40 days. This one is, I love it. It's an absolute breath of fresh air in our opinion, and like we said, we're a bit cocky about it, but quite rightly so. Thanks for looking. Let's help you get out of town. Hope to see you soon.